lovely session of stew or a vegetable coconut milk kurma. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to Dosa Recipes. I am Kanchan Jaykumar. This is going to be really yummy, and it's going to be very nice to your tummies too, because they are cooked with the coconut milk and the soft vegetables. So let's do this lovely stew or vegetable coconut milk kurma. Now let's heat a vessel. Let's add 1 or 2 teaspoons of oil to this. See, this recipe doesn't call for ginger garlic because that's going to give you a different kind of flavor. So we are going to just add some spices to this. When they slightly start getting roasted, we can add the onions and green chillies. Green chillies, please decide, depends on the spiciness what your family will require. To quicken the sorting process, we are going to add some salt. Now when they are sorted to a 3/4 texture, we can add the tomatoes. The tomatoes need not get sorted completely because anyway they are very soft vegetables, and here and there some red color will also add some nice coloration to the stews. Now let me add the cut potatoes, carrot and beans, turmeric powder, salt to taste. Add half glass or 1 glass of water so that the vegetables are cooked. Now just cover it and leave it for 5 minutes until the vegetables are cooked till soft. The vegetables have been cooked. Now let's add a little of rice flour to this. That is to just give the consistency. I have taken a little of this soup. To this I am going to add the rice powder. We can even add some corn flour if required instead of rice flour. This is just to add give a right consistency. This is thickened. Let's add the coconut milk. See, the coconut milk is the main ingredient here. So we'll have to see that you get the right coconut milk in the right consistency. That the milk should be thick. It should be made of at least 1 or 2 coconuts. Then only you will get the thick milk. Or if you're going to buy the ready-made one, you will have to use at least 200 ml of thick milk. So just simmer it for few minutes, around 3 to 5 minutes, and then your stew is ready. Let's open. It has started to bubble here and there. So it's done. We can switch off the stoves and just serve them, because it's coconut milk and it need not really get cooked so well. They just can be there for 5 minutes or something like that. Once they start bubbling and they absorb the complete masala and vegetables, you can serve them straight away. And it's good for health also, because coconut milk should not be cooked too much, the oil will come out of it otherwise. Just sprinkle some coriander and curry leaves. Dear friends, this was a very simple and a yummy dish. It's going to be delicious too. So do try this and keep us posted. Dosa Recipes is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa Recipes, and for your printable recipes visit dosarecipes.com. Thank you and bye-bye.